Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set up Microsoft Word for first-time users. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to download Microsoft. If you don't have the Word installed yet, go to your web browser and then visit Microsoft.com and then simply buy Microsoft 365 or choose a plan you want. Download the installer, open it up, and Word will be installed on your Windows computer. After you install the Word, open it up and then simply tap on Sign In at the very top. Now log in using your Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, Word will activate automatically. You need this subscription to unlock editing and full features. After logging in, you'll see a start screen. You can choose blank document or click more templates to pick a ready-made design. For example, if you want to make a resume, you can simply select a resume template and start editing right away. Once your document is open, look across the top. This is your toolbar. You'll see tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Layout, Reviews, and so on. Each tab contains tools for formatting, inserting images, drawing, and many more. This bar just above your page is called Editing Bar, where you can change text colors, font size, and styles. When you are done editing, simply tap on the File button, tap on Save As, pick a folder, enter a name, and set your format, usually Word document, and then tap on Save. That's it. That is how you set up Microsoft Word on Windows as a first-time user. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.